people ask us all the time, do I have to do repairs on my house in order to sell it? The answer is no. You never have to do repairs in order to sell your home or sell your property. However, it can be very important to do repairs depending on what price you want to sell your house for, right? So what you need to do is sit down with us and have us come out to the property and talk about what you need to do and what you don't need to do. Every situation is different, and it will really depend on how much those costs are going to be as to whether or not it's worth it for you to go ahead and incur the cost and make more money or sell the property as is. So every situation is different. Every location of the house is different. Are you in an area that's more of a rental property area? Are you in an area where the values are higher? So every situation is going to be a little bit different.